What began as a trademark filing under the name MrBeast Financial has quickly evolved into something far more concrete. In a move that shifts this from speculation to strategy, Beast Industries has officially acquired Step, a fully operational fintech platform built for teens and young adults. And this isn't just a branding experiment. Step is a real financial technology company with existing users, established banking partnerships, and regulatory infrastructure that's already in place. And that changes the conversation entirely. Because when one of the most powerful digital distribution networks in the world acquires a functioning financial platform, the question is no longer if something is being built, but how large it can become. Over the course of 120 days, MrBeast filed a trademark for full banking services, locked in $200 million in equity investments, and acquired a real operating fintech company with real users and banking infrastructure. Infrastructure requires serious planning, serious money, and serious intent. Now, fast forward 3 months, Bitmine Immersion Technologies drops a press release that they just made a $200 million equity investment into Beast Industries. And buried in that same press release, a direct reference integrating DeFi into an upcoming financial service platform. But the move that sent this to another level came February 19th of this year. Beast Industries acquired Step, a real functioning fintech app built specifically for teens and young adults. And here's why this matters so much. Step already has users, it already has bank partnerships, it already has compliance, and it has the infrastructure. They didn't just start from zero, they bought the foundation. Now, most fintech startups burn through millions of dollars just trying to get users in the door, but MrBeast already has them. He has hundreds of millions of them. And that's the distribution advantage that almost no one's talking about. Now, here's where it gets interesting. When the rumors started circulating about potential crypto integration, something happened to the market. A BFS token spiked hard and fast. Why? Well, because crypto markets move on narrative before they move on fundamentals. Now, there's a term for that. It's called buy the rumor. Traders were buying it based on anticipation, not confirmation, not a live product, just the idea of what it could become. And then no immediate product announcement came, momentum shifted, and BFS largely flatlined compared to the initial surge. And that right there is a live, real-time lesson in market psychology. Markets move first on a narrative, and then they reset on the fundamentals. Now, hype isn't a product, but hype can precede one. Now, I want to know, if you traded BFS, how did it go? Did you lock in gains or did you hold too long? Did you stay out completely? Let me know in the comments, because that was a case study in real time. Okay, now let's zoom out and stack what we already know. In October, a trademark was filed. It included banking, credit cards, and crypto exchange services. In January, Bitmine Immersion Technologies announced a $200 million equity investment into Beast Industries. In February, we saw the acquisition of a real live fintech platform. Now, that's not just random timing, that is a deliberate build. And when you layer that together with a Gen Z audience that's already there, institutional capital that is already in, and crypto exchange language that's already in the legal filings, you're not looking at just a side project. You're looking at the early stages of a financial ecosystem being built around one of the most powerful distribution networks in the world. But it's not all green lights. When entertainment crosses into financial products, the scrutiny goes up, and it goes up dramatically. Money is regulated, banking is regulated, crypto is scrutinized, and trust with young people, well, that's fragile. Now, this could become one of the most powerful financial entry points for young people on the planet, or it could hit regulatory friction, structural growing pains, and face serious questions about fees, transparency, and consumer protection. Both outcomes are possible, and that tension is exactly why we keep watching. So here are the 4 signals I'm watching moving forward. Does Step get rebranded as MrBeast Financial? Do they introduce financial tools beyond just basic banking? Is crypto officially publicly integrated? And how transparent are they about fees, custody, and consumer protection? Because if this scales the way it's structured to scale, it won't just be content expansion. It will be a complete financial infrastructure, and infrastructure changes behavior. It changes where you bank, how you invest, and where you access crypto. Now, we're still early, but the pieces are moving, and the story is getting bigger than just a YouTuber launching a finance app. And the real question is whether influence can convert into financial power at scale. And the next move from Beast Industries will tell us everything we need to know.